Madrid software.
Hi guys, today we will understand the top 5 tools that are running in market for UI UX. As a designer, you must know these 5 tools to success in the career of designer. The first and the foremost important tool in designing is Figma. As you already know, you need to design frames, you need to design an artboard, so Figma will be the amazing tool. The next tool is to make prototypes. So if you want to make prototypes, you can use Miro or Balsamic. In designing, you need to edit the pictures as well. So for that, you will be needing Adobe Photoshop. And icons and illustrations are the most important thing when it comes to the modern kind of design. So Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator is the next tool. And last but not the least, when you are converting your designs into codes, Zeppelin will be your